name na Ifeisi Clifford Wanogo. I come from Delta State, Orogun, Biafra land. I say make I quickly share this message, give my people, my great Delta people, my people. I say make I quickly share and give una say Biafra struggle no be for only the Igbos. The Deltas, we are more Biafran than the Igbos. Make all of us come together, make we join hands fight for this freedom. Now the only solution to our problem be this. Biafra na the only key. Biafra na the only solution. Mona not let anybody they deceive una say we not there for part of Biafran. Nigeria they deceive us. They don't deceive us for a long time. Now time for us to fight back be this. Now time for us to fight for our freedom be this. Make we stand up. I urge my youth, our youth, my Delta youth, my Robo youth, make we come out, make we fight for our freedom. The situation of Nigeria today, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Make we all stand up, make we fight for our freedom. We never achieve anything from Nigeria. Nigeria, waiting individual of us don't get for Nigeria. Especially we will come for the Niger Delta. Waiting we don't get. Apart from to they give us bad names. Waiting we don't get. Nothing. Make we stand up, make we fight for our rights. All of us don't go different places. Don't go different places. Not say we they do. Most of us not say we they do well. Most of us know they do well. Most of us when we come out, we they suffer. We they suffer. Go Lagos, go see our Robo people. Some of them it's a swamp, now they stay. They don't bring Alamajeri come from north, don't occupy all our resources. See, we see they shout one Nigeria. What thing we don't get since when they shout one Nigeria? What thing we don't achieve? What thing we don't get? Nothing. Make we gather hand together, my people, make we fight for our freedom. Make we fight for our freedom. Now our rights, make we fight for our freedom. My people, make we fight for our freedom. Hausa people don't take everything from us. If you reach north, everywhere, they don't pimp everywhere with our resources. Make I quickly talk to my people with my language. Urobo wado. Isoko wado, Ijo wado, Ishekiri wado, Manu wado, Mere Ifeisi Clifford Wanogo, Orogun minure, Ekri Wanogo, Orogun minure. My name me use opportunity na mi vo ina mi jivo jimu nwere likwome, Igbo Orobo me mani mi jivo jimu nwere aye. Ni Nigeria a deceive avare. Nigeria deceive avare. Ave Biafra. Ave Robokugbe. Ave ngo tai Biafra nana. Ave ngo freedom avare. Ave ngo freedom avare. I right avare. I resources na or avare. Ave authority over emweje. Odigo fakena so fa chakada na use emu o avare akada wo yue o maaye. Iyu tu ave jo bi arioja oni ose. Iyu tu ave arioja forgetting ni omo we pass of onya make go orere omure otun of otemu odoti ofo no ave to boti ave de ye. Most of it, you to have obi Oroyibo vi as I check on IV in Nigeria now. Only what that to Javeria. Ose what that to Javeria. I was watching one cavare. Ose only one more cavare, one more kemo wa. You to eje waro when mudi anwo yo vi Biafra na. He writes yavare. Oyemiva. Anwo yi writes yavare. I take a position about it. Me urge the youth. Kasa wara. Robo won't fight the freedom where. Robo won't fight the freedom where. Me opportunity na jivo ye. Ilida avale. Mazim Nnamdi Kanu. Osha na inu via avare aveji wodie obeje via. Okwi Nigeria vovo da vo weni avedi Biafra efia akrava enu. Ikwe unsa akrava re agbonu na be unite so that aveda mi secret I rule asovo. Onana okiava ena ave make use of it. Ave nure ovi ojana na veriana. We biko ihome. Imagine Nnamdi Kanu. Oyi leader avare. Oyi avake oyi nuviero avare. Oyi avake nene. Kasa ova. Oge neve rute. Zeno jiri viravae. Successfully. Oyi minore. Ihome we biko. Ari obokugbe ya ongore avare. Thank you.